to Miami to get another car. You guys remember the Z3 videos? Then we can do tandems in the driveway. We're here. This one's even in better condition than the other one. Yeah, don't crash. It's slow and a lot of body roll.
It is slow as fuck.
Things escalated extremely quickly.
Fuck with that. Hey!
Ooh. Super fun for how much money it costs. Welcome back to this piece of crap car. The mission today was get the seat out and the carpet. It was weld the diff originally.
Failed epically.
Pulled cover off, dropped it down. It's kind of a pain. These cars suck. Figured it out, but they're not easy to work on. Not easy access to get the diff out. Found out that you don't want to weld the LSDs, which we thought might be the case, but we were gonna try and force it because the car was so cheap. So then we like,
uh-oh.
Guys, we're having an issue.
It's electrical.
Oh, fuck.
It's just the hazards.
That's what it did when the alarm freaked out.
Oh no, did we just kill it, dude? We didn't touch anything though.
No, you literally didn't even unplug anything.
I haven't unplugged anything from the driver's side.
You did bump this.
Oh, it's this thing. Oh, it's a loose connection. Put it back.
Okay.
Put it back. No, stop.
Oh my god.
You have to like secure that properly.
Guys, we may have just locked up the ECU on this one. And you know what sucks?
Dude, that sucks.
You know what does suck though? That wasn't even part of the seat. I think we're okay. Let's just go with we're okay. So anyways, like we were saying, couldn't get to the rear bolts, and then he looked up something on the internet. We were able to like use a drill and take apart the motor and like manually force the motor to, no, manually just do it with a drill side by side without the motor. So we got that out. Then we're gonna remove the carpet. Yeah, we aren't gonna have a welded diff. Talked to my buddy Sam from 412 Motoring in California. He's gonna put a diff in a box and I'm gonna send him a shipping label and we're gonna go. Tell me those aren't like 45 pounds.
This is definitely like 40 pounds, 40
Yeah, let's just say 100 pounds gone. And I bet you the carpet weighs 45, 50 pounds. It's so heavy and I bet you there's water in there. Yeah, water. This is another 100 pounds. No, 60 pounds. I gotta help undo the gas pedal because that's the one thing that is caught.
Is it on the floor?
Yeah, the gas pedal. The goal though is to also cut this off like we were talking about. Hopefully this starts and we didn't just mess with something.
Oh, you gotta pull, bro. Oh shit.
This is exactly like the other one. It was so heavy because it was so much water in it.
Look at it.
Well, don't squeeze it back out in there.
Oh, sorry.
Just pull it out and we'll throw it in like a garbage can and then later. Well, I gotta go, guys. I gotta pull this out. Talk to you soon. We're making progress. Good news, boys. The weird arc out thing was arced out in there. Not sure what it was, but we fixed it. Then we pulled the seat. Well, you saw the seats out. We pulled the carpet out. We pulled the door panels off, yanked all the wiring out so we're not disrupting any like vehicle anti-theft system. Still thinks the doors are there. They're fully plugged in. Zip tied out of the way. Lots of wiring in here because this car's got way too much. I'll probably zip tie that up better soon enough. We'll vacuum some water out probably tomorrow, or maybe I'll just park it in the sun and let it bake out. Florida will rain though, you never know.
It's gonna rain tomorrow.
I gotta get a seat in there. I mean, I'll try and do it tomorrow, but if I don't, that's like the next project. Get the seat mounted in there. We can at least rip it. When I'm doing the seat, since there's welding involved, I'm just gonna do like flat stock rails that I weld in, and then I have like Sparco seat bases, and I had some hand-me-down Ambit seats that Ola had in his race car, and then if you look up there, I have a Sparco up there. I think I have 2 Sparcos, but the other one's probably in a plastic bag is why I don't know where it is, and there's another Ambit seat from Ola. I'm not sure which ones I'll put in here yet. I'll mount a rad handle in here that's kind of right there. Won't plumb it yet though, because I gotta just get the seat in, drive it a little more. We're gonna look into super cheap coilovers. Yeah, super cheap angle and super cheap coilovers. And we figured out the diff solution, but we're waiting on Sam to, into next week probably. It could be a ripper if I bought parts, or it's like maybe it's 2 weeks out because I don't know how much money I want to waste on some China parts for these. Gotta check over the other bills first. Good job, Timmy. Day 3.
We did it.
This is only the 3rd day, right?
Not
Saturday,
even,
Sunday, Monday.
Not really.
3 days and we're
More
here.
time driving to get it than we did.
Yeah, all the
working out
rest.
and doing all the work.
Yeah. All right, it's been fun though. All right, day 4, guys. Made seat bracket mounts that are nice and sturdy. That's burning hot still because I was still welding on that. Almost done with that, then I could hit it with some spray paint. We got our Sparco seat that's going in there, and we got the rad handle. So right now, I don't know if I have all the fittings to tee it into the rear lines. I guess I could check that out and try and accomplish that tonight. I mean, might as well do that. I'll look into it. I probably have what it takes to make this, get the hydro fully plumbed in by the end of today. Timmy said he's gonna come by again tonight and help. So I'm gonna get the seat in right now. I'll paint that, put the handbrake in and stuff, get the seat in, got a lot of zip tying to do with that harness. But what I could do is go sample it real quick with the seat and no doors. Haven't driven it with no doors because there was no seat, so that's why I was rushing to put the seat in. So what I could do is sample it with like the bolsters of having a proper seat where you're not sliding to and from, because those other seats had 0 bolstering. So you're just like kind of flexing your core not to slide around. And it'll be kind of a cool sensation to drive with the doors off. Haven't done like a lot of drifting with the doors off in my pro car. I have, that's pretty fun, but not a lot. So yesterday, remember all that water that was in here last night in the video? Yeah, Florida just evaporated. Let's get to this, mount that stuff up, and then I'll show you guys. It's a ripper now. Seat is in. Handbrake is in, but not plumbed, so it's not actually functional. I just took it for a rip, but look at my elbow and how it's hitting. That doesn't work. I did a couple laps around, just basically no handbrake, but it's easy to control and it's got like just enough power now with all this weight reduced out of it. This is perfect. Everything works. We need the handbrake to work and we need the diff to work, and then it'll be that much easier to drive, and then those other parts we talked about, coils or whatever, and a little bit of angle, and then anyone will be able to drift it, I would think, because right now I don't think it's easy for me, but I've driven a lot of cars and drifted a lot. I don't think the average person would be easy, and I want to make it easy for the average person so we can do like fun tandems. This kept flying around, it's pretty annoying. I wanted this to stay in here because it looks very complete, right guys? I guess I'm overthinking it, it probably doesn't matter, but I think I want that to be in there. I mean, that doesn't look so great with zip ties, but who cares? Yep, I think I'm gonna put it on the lift now, figure out the different fittings I'm going to need for plumbing it. I don't know how to, I gotta get it on the lift and kind of poke around and see, make a plan of how I would like to do it. Probably 2 ways you could do it, but I'll find the easiest way for what I have here to do it. Then we'll try and knock that out, bleed it by the end of tonight. Should have a working handbrake. Man, this is fun. Cheap fun. So this guy showed up. We're gonna start doing stuff, and we realized that how complicated it would be with ABS, which we have the stuff to maybe do it if it didn't have really weird fittings. It's like M12 inverted flare, M12 1.0 inverted flare here on the outs. We don't have anything M12 inverted flare. We have no M12 anything because we're usually working with M10. Yeah. It also has a third like feed down there. I don't know if you can see it down in there, and that goes to the pump, the ABS pump. So really what we want to do is eliminate the ABS pump, eliminate the ABS altogether, but maybe we don't unplug it. We'll just like undo the hoses from it and pull it out, dump the brake fluid out, but like let it think that it's there so that we don't, I don't know, we really just don't want to like break our ECU. So I think what I got to do is buy a bunch of tube nut and tube sleeves so we can like cut these hard lines, flare them, like put the tube nut and sleeve on there, then just convert everything to dash 3 so there's no M12 inverted flare stuff, and we just kind of go from there and make it like all custom from there. So I got to order some stuff from XRP, so we can't do that today. We still don't have a diff. The seat is in and he likes the position, I like the position. Handbrake's mounted.
Mounted. It looks good.
Yeah. We're getting close, so we need more parts. Dang it! Dun, 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 it stopped. Now it's like, came to a halt quick, huh?
I was gonna say, what do we do next?
Well, we still have to take the AC condenser out and the AC pump out, and I think we should just do that right now.
Want to do that?
Yeah, let's do that. All right, we only did what we could tonight. We have a plan for what's next. We're gonna go drive it. We need to drive it. We probably reduced like, I don't know, 5 more pounds. This is still stuck in the firewall? Get that shit out. I need that out. Let me try and get that. We're gonna go drive it in like 5 minutes, guys. Be there.
All right, so we got everything done that we wanted to accomplish. Got the AC stuff off. Now we're gonna go for a little rip.
You gotta wear these now.
Oh no, safety glasses?
Well, there's too much debris.
I know a guy that has really cool sunglasses.
No handbrake.
How's it feel?
It's so easy to drive right now, but I think it's because the tires are,
Rubbing?
no, like there's that much, there's no grip in the back, you know?
Oh, it's freed up.
So that's why. Yeah, the tires are rubbing, obviously. So we would have to space this, but we're gonna get
The angle kit.
angle kit. Look at it in the sunlight and all its beauty.
It is cool.
The nicest parts are the seat and the rad handle.
It looks sweet.
And the AEM intake.
Well,
It's not an intake, it's a filter. This is the AEM.
the dopest fabric
Dry
I've
flow.
ever seen in my life.
Yeah, we did some super crazy shit.
Bad fucking.
Are you not trying it in that?
You want me to? Yeah, we'll
condition?
try it.
We can hear you. Look at his reaction. I don't know if that guy liked it or disliked it. Oh my gosh! You're not wearing the safety glasses. Sir, safety first. Okay, I have an idea.
Yeah.